Hi guys, and a warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Cheers. So today we're not messing about, we're straight into the video. As you can see from the thumbnail, this is Shimmer Products Part 2 Interior Time. So they was kind enough to send me 3 leather care products, 1 all-purpose cleanse and 1 interior glow. So we're starting off with the leather cleanse. This is just to get off all the dirt and the grime from the leather before we apply the oil, the second part, and then the shield, the protection part. So as you will see on the screen, I'm just scrubbing it with a leather brush, and I'll wipe the excess off with a microfiber. So now it's time for the leather oil. This is basically, it's going to soak into the leather, help soften the leather and make it look a lot better. So it's just going to give it the moisture that the leather needs before we apply the shield, just to protect it that little bit more. So it does say on the bottle to apply, then leave for 2 to 3 minutes, let it really soak deep into the leather, and then buff off with a microfiber cloth. So now we're on to Shimmer Leather Shield. So basically what it does, it creates a thin film resistant layer over the top of the leather. So it's resistant of stains, spillages and UV rays. And just like all the other products, I applied this one, left it on for 30 seconds to a minute, then buffed off. And you'll clearly see once the tape's been removed, there is a difference between the treated side and the non-treated side of this leather. As you'll see, perfectly clean, protected, and the bottom half very dirty. Now I did do all of this car, and also my neighbour done his car with this, and the results are very good, and they do exactly what they meant to do. I was very happy with the end results. And just like I said with my neighbour borrowing the stuff, this is the interior on his Audi A6, and it come up an absolute treat. He was well impressed. So basically what we have here is my wife's door card. This is just before, this is with no cleaning, and I can't remember the last time it was clean. So we're going to start off with Shimmer's all-purpose cleanse. As you can see, I've put a little bit of tape just on the door card so you can clearly see a difference. So I've just applied a few squirts to an Auto Bright soft detailing brush, and I'm just working it in, basically going up and down, left to right, swirls. It just looks good. Then I'm taking the excess off with a microfiber. Now just by applying the APC to this door card, you can already tell that it's a lot cleaner. The colours come back into this section just before we apply Shimmer's Interior Glow. Now, what do I think of this product? Honestly, it smells absolutely gorgeous. You could drink this. I wouldn't advise it, but you could. I'm sure it's like a cherry scent, and it leaves your interior glowing. It is very, very good, this stuff, and it is in the door card still of this car. So just as it needs a little top up, I get it out. There's a spare microfiber cloth, and it brings it up like brand new. And this is a very, very good product. Really, really impressed. And just as I remove the tape and just wipe off the excess, you can see I'm rubbing it and it's not made a difference. Look at the before and after. It's like night and day. This APC and Interior Glow has totally brought the life and colour back into these door cards. So I'd like to say a massive thank you to Shimmer for trusting me with their products. I'm really impressed with their range and busting to try some more. Don't forget, go check them out. Drop them a follow on all their socials. Go and show these guys some love and support. As always, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.